Hi, I'm Chance. Are you still worried about limited staff, difficult recruitment, and difficult order fulfillment? Here is our rich piece automatic, foldable mass production line coming to solve your problem. One-person operation, fully automatic from raw materials to finished products. It can produce 40 to 45 pieces per minute. Mask with 6 layers of materials at most. The mask pattern can be customized. The welding spot position is adjustable to adapt to the air belt rope with different weights. This is the folding part. This is the cutting part. This is the finished product with very high quality. For the most important part, we have spot supply now. If you are interested with this production line, contact us. Thank you.